Good day, traders. Sam here, Trade to Prosper, and just going to give you a quick update with my daily or 3 day chart, just to make it easy for you guys to understand what's going on. We see this fractal here, and if you refer to that, we have this green trend line, and I'm not going to show you how I got that, but that's pretty much it. What you notice is once we lost a key level, and I think that was based on the 200 moving day average over here. We went down to this test this level, and if you look at the candlesticks on that particular range, once we lost that key level, you can see that these moving averages. Let's see which one was this one is. There's a 200 4-hour moving average, and the other one is the 21 on the daily. So I've got these two combinations, and if you notice how we did wick above and we found resistance, and these two combined became a resistance level. At one stage it became support and the other one became resistance, similar here, which equated to support and roughly a rising wedge. And when we lost that, you can see how we lost that moving average. Those two moving averages came down here. Now you look at the candlesticks compared to this scenario, we have very similar. So what I'm expecting is just weakening demand and then drop. And then we get to this final stage with the wicks, and then we capitulate all the way down. And I'm looking at 15K at the moment. So we might get a bit of a bounce and then back down here. So the key items are here I was hoping it could come to this level about 22,700 for a shorting position. Didn't happen. And I don't think it's going to happen. It's going to be playing out. We might have this little spike like that, and so that will be a perfect position to short using the moving averages. And I'm sure if we're looking closer, it will be related to the Fibonacci. We have this 200 moving average on the weekly as well. So, and that one is the SMA. So, in conjunction with the other two moving averages and this macro one, it's a strong resistance, and this also my 618 Fibonacci, a whole bunch of stuff telling me that this is a great position to short. So I would just put your orders there if it gets to that. Otherwise, just look for just making that call. But that would be the ideal position to short. Don't know if we'll make it, but I'm just giving you the key points on this chart. And if you join our community, you will see other indicators that I've been posting. So if you join our community on Telegram or Discord, it's a 10-day free trial, and then from that onwards, it's subscription. But come and have a look, and I'm just pointing these points out for the next level down. On the macro perspective, you can see this massive blue trend line that's been acting as a resistance and a pivotal point. If this was to continue to go sideways, could potentially go sideways for a while, just like this, and then that could be a pivot. And I do see that most likely to come down. Very much like here, that was actually this one was a secondary line. So this is a parallel line. So that's my strategy. If it was to break up to the upside, very possible that pivot could also go there, and that will be my ideal situation where the 24K is another shorting position. 25 is ideal. Maybe that can happen, but we'll see how that goes. I do see this slowly going sideways, and if it breaks this green line, pretty much down. Now let's look on the daily. So the daily looks pretty weak. Here we had a bit more fluctuation over here, and we might have that still, but the fact that this could go on for that long will make it pivot to the top, and I don't think it's going to make that. So that's what till in mid-September. Mid-September, I think we get the Fed, which will increase interest rates, so that might just come down as well. Anyway, these are the items that you're going to look at, keep an eye on. And if you look at the Dixie is slightly moving to the upside, and I do believe this is going to continue to go up. And so today might be a bearish day. So I'm going to wrap it up on that, guys. And please give me a like and share. And I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.